Do you want to live a healthier life as you bar? Food companies often replace fat with sugar and artificial sweeteners. Add a touch of honey. Have you tried making this switch? Did you notice any changes in how you felt? Store-bought granola can have up to 600 calories and 20 grams of sugar per cup, nearly the same as a Snickers bar. Labeled as made with whole grains or all natural, don't tell the full story. Many brands add refined sugars, artificial flavors, and unhealthy oils to make granola taste irresistible. Even low-fat options often replace fat with extra sugar. Instead, let me know. Have you checked the sugar content in your granola? Or have you tried making your own? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Number 3. Multigrain bread. Multigrain bread sounds healthy, right? But here's the catch. Multigrain doesn't always mean whole grain, and that difference matters more than you might think. On the other hand, whole grain bread uses the entire grain, bran, germ, and endosperm, keeping all the natural goodness. For example, a slice of multigrain bread might have just 1 gram of fiber, while whole grain bread can have 3 to 4 grams. That fiber is key for digestion, heart health, and keeping you full longer. So how do you spot real whole grain bread? Look for whole wheat flour or whole grain as the first ingredient. Avoid anything that lists enriched flour or wheat. On a plant-based burger, you'll often find 20 or more ingredients, including additives, preservatives, and fillers. Some brands pack in up to 400 milligrams of sodium per patty. That's nearly 20% of your daily limit in one serving. far more nutritious. Before we move on to low-fat dressings, let me know, do you eat cereal bars often, or have you tried switching to nuts and dried fruit? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 7. Low-fat dressings. Low-fat dressings are a staple in many diets, but here's the truth. They're often worse for you than regular dressings. Let's dig into why. When fat is removed from dressings, it's often replaced with sugar and salt to make up for the lost flavor. A single serving of low-fat dressing can have up to 300 milligrams of sodium and 5 grams of sugar, more than some regular dressings. Plus, healthy fats, like those in olive oil, are essential for absorbing vitamins and keeping you full. By cutting out fat, you're missing out on these benefits. Here's something surprising. Low-fat dressings can actually make salads less healthy. Without healthy fats, your body can't absorb key nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K from vegetables. Instead of low-fat dressings, make your own with olive oil and vinegar. It's simple, fresh, and packed with healthy fats that support your body. Add a pinch of herbs or mustard for extra flavor. Do you use low-fat dressings? Or have you tried making your own? I've included a link in the description below to an easy homemade recipe. Check it out and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Number 8. Protein powders. Protein powders are a popular way to boost your protein intake, but here's the catch. Many are packed with artificial sweeteners and additives that can do more harm than good. Take a look at the ingredient list on most protein powders, and you'll often find artificial sweeteners like sucrose or aspartame. These can disrupt your gut health and even lead to cravings for more sweets. Plus, overloading on protein powders can strain your kidneys over time, especially if you're not drinking enough water. The worst part is that a lot of protein powders don't even match the quality of whole foods like chicken, eggs, or beans. Instead of relying on powders, add natural protein sources to your meals. Eggs, beans, lentils, and Greek yogurt are all great options. They're nutrient-dense, easy to prepare, and free from artificial additives. Before we move on to dried fruit, let me know, do you use protein powders? Or have you switched to natural protein sources? Share your experience in the comments. Number 9. Dried fruit. Dried fruit might seem like a healthy snack, but here's the truth. It can be as sugary as candy. Let's break down why you might want to rethink your next handful. A small box of raisins or a pack of dried mango can have up to 25 grams of sugar. That's almost as much as a candy bar. And here's the catch. When fruit is dried, the water is removed, but the sugar becomes concentrated. Plus, many dried fruits contain added sugars and preservatives like sulfites, which can cause headaches or allergic reactions for some people. Portion sizes are another issue. It's easy to overeat because dried fruit is small and calorie dense. Instead of sugary dried fruit, choose fresh fruit or unsweetened dried options. Fresh fruit has water and fiber to keep you full, while unsweetened dried fruit gives you the same nutrients without the added sugar. Just watch your portions. Before we move on to vegetable chips, let me know, do you snack on dried fruit? Or have you switched to fresh or unsweetened options? Share your thoughts in the comments. 10. Vegetable chips. Vegetable chips are often marketed as a healthier alternative to regular potato chips. But here's the truth. They're not as healthy as they seem. Let's take a closer look. While vegetable chips might sound nutritious, they're often fried in unhealthy oils and loaded with salt. A single serving can have just as much fat and sodium as regular potato chips, sometimes even more. The processing methods strip away many of the vitamins and fiber found in fresh vegetables, leaving you with a snack that's not much better than junk food. Plus, the portion sizes are small, making it easy to overeat without realizing it. Instead of buying vegetable chips, make your own at home. Slice fresh vegetables like zucchini, sweet potatoes, or kale, toss them with a little olive oil and bake until crispy. You'll get all the crunch without the unhealthy additives. Do you eat vegetable chips, or have you tried making your own? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take the next step toward a healthier lifestyle, don't miss my next video that just popped on your screen. To make sure you don't miss anything, click the like button, hit the notification bell and subscribe. See you in the next one.